We know it probably seems that hoteliers have about a million different software to manage in between the front office and the back office. And that is why, whenever one of those softwares can be eliminated, that is a definite win win. Hi, this is Elisa Fritsch with Hotel Investor Apps, ERP and accounting software. And today I'm here to talk about fixed assets, which is one of the software, one of the many software that can be eliminated with an ERP back office system. So let's quickly cover, what fixed assets are, why they're so important in hotel accounting and financial management, and what are going to be the benefits and synergies of having that included in in your accounting system, right? So quick summary, fixed assets are typically physical items purchased for long-term use in the operation of a business. For hotels, these are, typically your buildings, your equipment, your furniture, and your technology. So examples are going to be your hotel building, your HVAC units, your PTAX, your all that furniture and technology like your AV equipment, your televisions, etc. Right? So naturally, over time, all these value items will lose some value due to natural wear and tear. And so depreciating those fixed assets is what allows you to account for that loss in value by spreading the cost of those fixed assets over their useful life and depreciating them over that time, right? And there's a lot of value to doing that because depreciation, will reduce, taxable earnings. And then plus, hotel managers can use the useful life of different items to really help them in planning for their next CapEx expenditures. All right. So, um, what are people typically doing? So, as I mentioned, like with most hotel specific accounting software, they are not having fixed assets within that software. So, it's going to be a separate software that is used. And in that case, the challenge is just mostly that it's a separate software. So, it's another system you need to be in and make sure that communicates with your accounting system and that integration works well in terms of like transferring the data for your financial statements, et cetera, right? Or maybe some people are using Excel depreciation templates, and those are fine too. But they also will have some challenges like lack of an audit trail. So someone might have made a change and you don't know when, and you don't know who, and you know, so it can be hard to keep track of that, right? So the benefit of having your fixed asset module within that whole back office accounting and ERP system is that it's just going to give you so much more visibility and ease in terms of creating and tracking and managing those fixed assets. So as you can see here, fixed assets, it's just, one of the modules here in the system. And within HIA's system. And then some of those benefits and synergies are, like I said, the complete visibility into your fixed assets and your depreciation schedules. It's also super easy to add fixed assets. You can add them from your AP purchases. You can or you can import them from files, or add individually. And there's going to be a lot of like predefined depreciation schedules, or you can create your own. And also everything's going to be streamlined, right? So there's also asset classes that will auto populate information if you select them, right? So that might be like useful life, depreciation method, and depreciation books, like all can be auto-populated for you. And then there's going to be other features like the ability to easily transfer assets from one property to another, like either one by one or in bulk. And then same thing with like disposing of the assets one by one or in bulk. So there's just so many efficiencies there in the system. And so, in summary, as we've discussed, fixed assets are just a very important part of hotel financial management and planning in terms of, making sure you get that depreciation value, in terms of your CapEx planning. And when you're able to take it from an outside system or spreadsheet or whatever it's on and move it into your back office software, that just gives you so much more efficiency and ability to add items with ease and manage it and get that visibility and tracking that you need. So hope you found this video helpful. If you are interested in our fixed assets module, please reach out to our sales team for a demo. And please subscribe for more videos like this one.